to the channel. On your screens, we are looking at the stock price of Canoo, and Canoo today is down 0.7% and trading at $3.91. Yesterday, the stock closed at $3.96. It opened higher today at $3.99. In the course of today's trading, the stock went as high as $4.23 before now dropping to $3.91. With barely an hour, 5 minutes to the closing bell, we can see that the volume is close to average with about 10 million shares that have exchanged hands compared to an average volume of 12 million. The market capitalization for Canoo Inc. is now at $1 billion US. Now, Canoo is one of those EV companies that may stand to benefit from the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022. In that signature bill that was signed by President Joe Biden, you have massive provisions for renewables, and Canoo, being one of the EV manufacturers based here in the United States, it's uniquely positioned to take advantage of some of the phenomenal tax credits that are contained within that bill. So we fully expect to see Canoo start appreciating, especially once they start deliveries of their multipurpose vans that they have signed contracts for, and people start seeing them out in the wild, out in the streets. So for now, I'm not too worried seeing the stock go down, but I think that once they start their deliveries, then that's when there will be a renewed interest in the company. So if you look at the monthly, you see the stock has actually dropped over the past month. But I think that this also presents an opportunity for those who are looking to get in on the ground floor with some of these EV companies. So with the price of Canoo stock, it might have dropped, but if you look over the past month, it hasn't dropped significantly. So I would think that it's kind of stabilizing, and this might represent an entry point for those who are looking for an EV company with a strong presence and which is still at the ground floor level, not those that are already at very top, high valuations like Tesla. So that's what we had to share concerning Canoo. And you also have to remember that over the past 1 year, the stock has been trading anywhere from $1.75 all the way up to $13.35. The market today, if you look at the top of your screens, has been mixed, with the S&P 500 down 0.42%, the Dow 30 down 0.25%, Nasdaq down 0.72%, Russell 2000 down 1.04%, and crude oil went a bit higher today. It's up 1.86% and trading at $88.14 a barrel. Please don't forget that crude oil is still trading under $90, and it's been doing that for a few days now. With barely an hour, 3 minutes to the closing bell, I will take leave of you at this point. But please, if you haven't done so, consider subscribing to the channel. We are aiming to hit 1,000 subscribers by the midterm elections, which take place in November. Bye now.